Welcome to this flow. We are going to be using the mantra, I love and accept myself. Today, as we flow through movement, I invite you to love and accept yourself today, as you are right now, without pondering on who you were yesterday or back in the past or who you want to be tomorrow, but rather who you are right now. As we create more space within ourselves to love and accept this version of ourselves today, we will have a greater capacity to become who we want to become. So find yourself in a mountain pose. Soften those knees and bring the shoulders up and roll them into your back space. Allow your hands to face forward and perhaps allow your eyes to drift shut. And I invite you to imagine that you are witnessing yourself in this room right now. It's quite ironic that we don't ever really see ourselves. We see ourselves in video, in the mirror, in pictures, but we don't actually see ourselves as other people get to witness us. And so as you stand here in mountain pose with your eyes shut, perhaps you can pretend that you are in this room, just witnessing you. Perhaps you see your body in that space. You see your feet planted on the floor. You see that soft bend in your knees, a neutral pelvis, a nice long spine with your shoulders opening out into your back space, with a lifted heart, and with your head just gently floating atop the spine. Perhaps you witness the type of light that you emit. Perhaps as you witness yourself, you can feel the energy that you bring into this space today. And it's all valid, whether you're coming to this practice today from uncomfortable situations or whether you're here feeling energetic and loving. Just witness the energy you have. Choose to not have judgment, but to create enough space that it is safe for you to turn up as you are. Jesus said, "The Father hath loved me, and I love you." Jesus has proved to us that he loves and accepts each of us, for he has given his life for us to live. He's made his work and glory all about our eternal experience. Perhaps you can allow that truth to encourage you to love and accept yourself today. Take your hands and wrap them around and give yourself a hug. I love. Bring your hands to your heart and accept myself. Opposite arm on top now. I love and accept myself. Let's do 2 more rounds. I love and accept myself. Other side. I love and accept myself. I love and accept myself. I love and accept myself. Let's inhale our arms out. I love. Bring your hands to a prayer and accept myself. 2 more rounds. I love and accept myself. 1 more. I love and accept myself. Let's go to the top of your mat and gently roll the spine down into a forward fold. Bend your knees generously. Hang the head. Lift up to halfway. I love. Come down and accept. Bend the knees. Roll up. Myself. Present yourself. Roll down. I love. And come down and accept. Come on up. Myself. Going all the way down. Lift up. I love. And accept. Bend the knees. Myself. Let's take our hands all the way out. I love. Pierce the top and accept myself. Come up halfway, I love, come on down and accept. Plant your hands, step back, myself. Find a downward facing dog. Shake your head out, maybe just pedal those knees. Plant into the left and lift up the right. I love, bend the knee, coming through, lower the knee and lift up and accept. Myself. Step back. Same leg, we lift up, I love, bend the knee. This time keep the other leg lifted and accept myself. Bring the hands down. Stepping back, same leg again. Lift up, I love, bend the knee, come on in and accept. This time we're gonna reach myself. Bring the hands back down, plant the hands, step back, pedal out. Planting into the right foot, lift up the left. I love, bend the knee, bring it through, lower the back knee and accept myself. Hands come down, step it back. Same leg lifts, I love, bend the knee, come through, high lunge and accept myself. Plant your hands, step back. I love, lift the leg, bend the knee and accept. Drop the right arm and reverse myself. Windmill your hands down. Step the back leg in front. Bend the knees, roll up. Engage your glutes and bring your hands to the base of your back, just on the top of your bottom. Elbows are reaching into your back space and squeeze your bottom, zip up your core, ignite your legs. And you're gonna puff up your heart. I love, and lean back and accept myself. Hold here. I love and accept myself. Pressing, coming back to a nice long spine. Turn around. We are going to add on some imbalancing. So we'll inhale, arms go out. I love and accept myself. This time we're going to shift the weight into the left side. I love and accept myself. Again, I love, other side. Bring the left knee in and accept myself. 2 more rounds. I love and accept myself. Inhale. I love and accept myself. Last round. I love and accept myself. Last side. I love and accept myself. And allow those eyes to drift shut. Again, you are looking at yourself as you are today, in this moment, without judgment, without needing to change anything, just witnessing who you are in this moment. As you witness yourself, maybe you gaze at your feet. I love and accept my feet. I love and accept my ankles. I love and accept my lower legs. I love and accept my knees. I love and accept my thighs. I love and accept my pelvis. I love and accept my torso. I love and accept my heart space. I love and accept my shoulders. I love and accept my neck. I love and accept my face. I love and accept my hair. I love and accept my arms. I love and accept my hands. Bring your hands to prayer center. I invite you to remember often that God loves and accepts you. And He invites us all to love and accept ourselves. As we do that, we have a greater capacity to love each other. Namaste.